Hello world, here is Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. And in this video we will take a look about Bitcoin. What's going on with Bitcoin for today, for tomorrow, for next week, for next month, for next year. No guys, seriously, let's check Bitcoin now. Here it is, Bitcoin on coinmarketcap.com. You can see we are under 50,000, we are on 49,230, and I think that's not okay. That's better here. Okay guys, here it is. We are on 47,700. Refresh here is very good to make. On the daily we are in a minus about 1.3% and or 1.5%. On the 7 days we are in a plus, in a light plus with 1.38%. You can see it. This chart on the last 7 days is bullish, sideways, but a little bit bullish. And okay, here it is. Ethereum is going up here for 4% in the day and for 6% in the week. So momently it's better to trade Ethereum as to trade Bitcoin. We will take a look about Ethereum a little bit later here. ADA is going down 4% or 3.6% in the minus. In the week, ADA is going down for 18%. Binance Coin is going down. DOT is going down. XRP is going sideways, a little bit down for the daily. Uniswap is going up a little bit. Litecoin is going up a little bit. Chainlink is going down. Bitcoin Cash is going down. And XLM Stellar is also going down. Our top coins here for the daily, the most are going down a little bit. What's going on here with Bitcoin on TradingView? And here are the technicals for Bitcoin for the TradingView. A quick overview for the daily: neutral. Everything is neutral. No buy, no sell, neutral. On the 4 hour we have a sell and a strong sell, and that's important for us to trade. That's bearish for Bitcoin. On the 1 hourly also sell, strong sell. So very interesting. On the daily, a neutral is interesting because the last times the dailies we had always a buy here, and now it's neutral. Jump into the chart TA, and this is the chart TA from yesterday, the 4 hour chart TA, and you can see it guys. Possible we had here a inverse shoulder head shoulder on the 4 hour chart, and you can see guys, momently it's not playing out, this inverse shoulder head shoulder, but it's not over now, because this always could be a shoulder here, the right shoulder, and always it's possible to come down to this bottom line here, momently 53,000, and it's still possible to break out to the upside on the 4 hour chart with this inverse shoulder head shoulder. So it's not a game over for this inverse shoulder head shoulder for the quick view here. So let's turn on the EMA ribbon, and yes, the very bad thing is guys, here we had a long position here with the EMA ribbon band. It's green, now it's red. We have a short position, very bearish. Bitcoin is under the ribbon band, very bearish. But now from the downside, here is coming the EMA 200 as support, and that's the next thing. It's very important here to hold this support here for 46,000, big support here because of EMA 200 and because of some other stuff here also. So 46,000, very important. MA21 is a resistance over our head. We are under the MA21, so also bearish for Bitcoin. What's going on with indicators? What's going on with the MACD? MACD is telling us here bearish. You can see it. We have the blue line under the brown line. That's a bearish sign. That's a bearish thing. And you can see it. The red candles here are growing, and that's also a very bearish sign for the moment for Bitcoin. So let's make a quick thing. Let's make a parallel channel, guys. You know I love the parallel channels, and I think they are very, very necessary for TA. Here is the parallel channel to the downside. You can see it. Yes, that's the big downtrend. Positive is we are over the middle line, over this blue dot line here. That's the positive thing. But you can see it, guys. The negative thing is, yes, we are here in a big downtrend, and Bitcoin is still bearish here on the 4 hour chart. So guys, I would like to show you some other stuff here. I saw today something in the chart. I studied it a long time today, the chart, and I saw a pattern I would like to show you guys. For me, it's a very important thing here, and this is, I think, very important for you also. So guys, take a look at this. This is our Bitcoin chart without any drawings, without any indicators. Let's make something. Let's make a trend line. You know it, guys. This was a triangle pattern for Bitcoin here on end of February. This was a triangle pattern, and yes, Bitcoin broke out to the upside. Look at this. Bitcoin broke out to the upside. Everyone was going in here. Perfect, perfect, and you saw it, guys. We have a candle closed over this triangle, a perfect breakout, a confirmed breakout. So let's go, let's buy. Bam, back in the triangle. Everyone was sailing here with a minus, and then we had here the next breakout from the triangle with a confirmed breakout, and from this point it's going up and up and up. So this was the perfect buy point here. This was a trap, okay, for sure, but this was the perfect buy point here. So guys, this was the triangle on the end of February, and you can see it, guys. On this triangle we had a nice bull run to the upside. We can measure it with our I don't know how I should tell you, but with this thing here we can measure it. It's a measure. Okay, the measure here, and you can see it, guys. Look at this. This was the point of the breakout. 32,000, 33,000 was the point of the breakout, and Bitcoin broke out up to 58,000, and you can see it here, 78% breakout. So guys, the next thing, look at this. We are now in this position. What can you see? A line from here to here. A line from maybe here is the deepest point, or here is the deepest point. It's hard to say. Maybe this is the deepest point to this. So guys, what is it? It is also a triangle. And I would like to show you here on the 4-hour chart, it's also possible to break out from this triangle to the up and to the downside. Guys, attention, I know everything. Oh, Biti, it's easy to tell us we're breaking out to the upside or to the downside. It's a 50-50 chance. Yes, guys, I know. I can't predict the future. I am not Mr. Wonderglass, but I can tell you something. We are prepared. We are prepared if we are breaking out to the downside. And this is what I would like to show you here. You saw the big fake out. I'm always telling you guys, watch out for the traps. And yes, it's hard. It's really hard as a trader if you're going in here and you have a trap. So it's so important, guys, in these times, and always important to make a stop loss, guys. It's so important here to make a stop loss here also. If you went in here in the long and it came down again, you have a stop loss, it's sold, and perfect. You have no minus if you're making a stop loss. In this point now, it's maybe the same thing. You can see it, guys, here. This triangle, this one, had a nice target here from the downside to this line, from the upside to the downside, and this was the breakout. So the perfect target for this triangle was here on this point. 57,000, and yes, momently we are on 57,000. It went up more and more and more, and perfect. And I think a lot of TA traders sold here on this position because this was the technical target of the triangle breakout. A lot of guys sold here 47,000. It's going down here, and from this point it's going up again. Now we are in the same position, guys. We are in the really same position. Look at this. We are in the second triangle. We have a technical target for a breakout, the highest point to the baseline, and that's this target. We can set this target maybe to this here for breaking out here to the upside, and we have a technical target about 65,000. Guys, that's very important for the next big how should I say, big buy or big sell here, or going long or going short. I would like to show you this in this video. You can go long, you can make a good position here if we are breaking out to the upside with a confirmed breakout, but guys, always use a stop loss. You can see it here. If you had no stop loss, you are losing money. If you are breaking out here, make a stop loss under this line, under this red line, stop loss, and you can go on with this trade. The same thing is, guys, if we are going down. We have a target to the upside, but also if we are, damn, I hate it. Also, if we are going down to the downside, if we're breaking this line here to the downside, we have also a target to the downside, and that's the target, 27,000. And that's again this target. I'm talking about 27,000 about weeks. I feel months, I don't know, but this is the target for break down this triangle, guys. We have two possible targets now for the long term, for the next days or weeks. We have 65,000, we have 27,000. And in my opinion, I think it's so important to watch for this triangle. So guys, what's the plan for the short time here? My plan is here. If we are going down here to the downside, like this point, I have a good buy position here because of this good support, this line here. My next buy position here is on 43,000. That's a very good buy position here. I think it's possible. Personally, I think it's possible to go down like this because of this shoulder head shoulder. I show it to you again a little bit later. Because of this shoulder head shoulder, we may break down to this point, 43,000. We may, and that's the very important point, we may break down to the downside, or we are going up again to this point. So this is a long position, a nice long position. If Bitcoin can break through this line, that's the next long position. And that's the next long position for this target, 65,000. So guys, for the long term, watch this. It's so important what's going on with this triangle. Let's go now to the 1 hour chart, guys. What's here the short term? I know my Da Vinci drawings are not good, but you know what I mean. So what's going on here on the 1 hour chart? And you can see it, guys. That's a very nice shoulder head shoulder. A very nice shoulder head shoulder. And we have a baseline. You know it. If you know my videos, you know it. The baseline. We have two possible baselines, but in my opinion, this is our baseline here. This is our important baseline, and it's momently like this here. Okay, guys, if we are breaking down from this baseline, I make it green because it's a support here. If we are breaking down from here, then the next possible point is 43,000. Think about this. Here is the highest point, here is the point to the baseline, and the technical target, guys, the technical target for the breakdown of this shoulder head shoulder, if we are breaking down like this, is here on this point. 40,000. 40,000 is a possible target for shoulder head shoulder breakdown. But if you are breaking to 40,000, then guys, we have a big problem because you can see it here. We may break down to 27,000 also. So we have a lot of things now, guys. We have a possible inverse shoulder head shoulder. We have a possible shoulder head shoulder. We have a possible triangle. A lot of things to watch, and it's very important for you guys to watch this. I am showing you these things here on my live trade channel, on my Bitcoin Trading Informant live stream. It's live 24 hours, 7 days a week. It's always live. I am showing you here shoulder, head, shoulder. I am showing you here the resistances. I am showing you here the very important things to watch. Here is the news text. What's going on? Here's the 1 day chart, the 1 hour chart. Here's the 1 day chart. Here's the 4 hour chart. You have here Ethereum. You can see Ethereum is momently pumping a little bit. Very nice. We have the chat here, and we have 8 coins here. You can see in a quick overview it's going up or down. So guys, very important here to watch my channel on Twitch and on YouTube also. You're all welcome here, and please leave me a comment in the channel if you're liking my videos or not. I would be very proud of this. So back again here to our 1 hour chart. Let's turn on here ribbon band and MA21, and that's also very important. You can see it. We are here on this point, and yes, we are under the ribbon band, bearish. We are under the MA21, bearish. We are under the MA200, bearish. Everything is telling us bearish, and that's the point why you see here on the 4 hour a minus and sell. On the 1 hour, sell. From this moving averages, they are all telling you sell. And jetzt is now, guys, this is one point. If everything is telling you sell, it's possible to buy, and that's the hard point now as a trader. I can't tell you guys now make a short position. I can't tell you guys now make a long position, because it's impossible to predict. But it's possible for me to show you these signs, this possible shoulder head shoulder. I can tell you guys, if you're breaking this down to the downside, you can go short to this point. I can tell you guys, if you're breaking up, attention, we have here the big resistance. I can tell you that things, but I can momently not tell you guys it's going up and up and up. Let's go in. It's not possible, and it's a financial advice, and I do not make financial advices. Okay, guys, very impossible. Here is a parallel channel. Also, we can draw it from this to the upside. That's a very nice parallel channel to the upside, but you can see it, guys, momently Bitcoin is fighting in this uptrend. So the next thing to watch on the 1 hour chart is here. Can Bitcoin stay in this uptrend? Very nice. Can Bitcoin fight against these things here, 48,000, this MA21, this MA200, and this ribbon band? Can Bitcoin fight over this? If it's possible to fight over this, 48,000, perfect. We may see here a breakout to the next target, 50,000, 50,100. Perfect, but this is a big resistance. So these are the big points to watch for me in the moment. Can we break over our things here? Can we reach 51,000? Can we stay in this uptrend? Or are we breaking down? And are we breaking down under the baseline? Because you can see the baseline is momently on 46,600. And if you're breaking down, next target 43,000. Guys, that are the big things to watch for the next time. If something will change here on the next time, I will make a quick update for you and I will show it to you on my live stream also and on my YouTube channel with a video. Guys, thanks for watching. I wish you the best of luck. It doesn't matter if you're going short from here or if you're going long from here. I wish you guys, you make millions out there. Greetings. Have a nice time. Yours, Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye bye.